FusionWare mvLynx to SQL is a solution used for high-speed transfer of data from your MultiValue database to a relational database such as Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, Oracle, MySQL, or Progress OpenEdge. This demonstration will show the DB-Lynx to SQL Designer, a component of mvLynx to SQL. Connection strings can be built using one of our connection string builders. Alternatively, a pre-existing connection string can be simply entered into the space provided. The MultiValue connection string builder is used to connect to all MultiValue databases. MultiValue connections can be secure SSL or SSH connections. Where there is complex multi-level security, you can create login scripts to support this. Once you have configured your data source and connection string, you must select what data you want transferred to your relational database. You can use Table Direct to select a specific file or view to be transferred. All items will be transferred using this method. If you want filtered or custom data to be transferred, use the command text to specify the data that will be transferred into the relational database. The next step is to select the target database. As indicated previously, you can select SQL Server, DB2, Oracle, MySQL, or Progress OpenEdge as target databases. Once again, the connection builders are available for defining the connection string, or a pre-created connection string can be provided. A target table name must be entered. This name will correspond to the primary table name in the source. All multi-value and sub-value tables, automatically generated by the DB-Lynx engine, will be created as derivatives of this name. Complete error and information logging is provided. Logging levels can be set to log just fatal errors, like a lost connection, to warnings such as non-numeric data in numeric fields. The DB-Lynx transfer can be made to stop on invalid errors, or simply log them and continue. DB-Lynx to SQL can be used to create the table structure in the target database prior to copying items from the source database. It can insert records into already existing target tables. It can delete records from the target tables based on keys selected in the source database. It can overwrite existing records in the target tables, inserting any new records at the same time. Recreate should be used with caution, as it will cause the target tables to be dropped and recreated during the transfer. To filter the data, we can change the command text. We can receive data from the MultiValue source directly from the tables, from basic programs, directly from TCL, and other methods. In this case, we will simply sort the data as it is retrieved. Much more complex filtering is possible through the use of MultiValue query statements. During the transfer process, constant feedback is provided in the DB-Lynx to SQL Designer. The information includes source items read, inserts to the target, which will quite often be higher than items read because of multi-values, updates that were done, any deletes that were required, and any data errors that were encountered. When the transfer is complete, these totals will be displayed one last time. The DB-Lynx to SQL Designer is a tool for defining the hows and whats of the transfer. However, you may want unattended execution of these transfers. By saving the script, defining the transfer, a tool included called DB-Lynx to SQL Command will allow this transfer to execute in most scheduling and workflow applications. When we look in the SQL Management Studio, we can see the tables that were created. Ship history is composed of the item ID and all single value fields. The multi-value and sub-value fields are created based on this name. The subtables are automatically populated with unique keys and foreign keys to their parent tables, as well as a counter field representing the original multi-value or sub-value position of the data in the source file. Thank you for watching our demonstration of FusionWare mvLynx to SQL. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.fwic.net or through email at info@fwic.net. Thank you again.